In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash something went wrong error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. Next up, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. Now, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If the issue continues, clear app cache. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find DoorDash and launch it. Now click on offload app and confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Likewise, you can give a first restart to your device, as this refreshes background processes that may be causing the error. Likewise, check the server status of DoorDash. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in DoorDash server status. Navigate to the website down detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, you can completely delete DoorDash app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.